Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Best online learning experience only at Stella Online Courses. Call us now.
Both Osban Fernandes and Ramesh Bagve alias Maratho both were convicted by our session judge on 27th of this month under section 302 and 201. 302 for murdering one Shivaji Nayak at Ribandar and 201 for destroying the evidence. And today both are the sentence is passed against both of them, and they are sentenced for life imprisonment under section 302 and 3 years for under section 201 and fine of 1 lakh and 50,000 under section 201. And if it is realized, then it will be paid as a compensation to both the victims. This is the order passed today.
Madam, they were called to the court today or via video conference?
They were called today, but they were not taken inside the premises. They were made to sit in the bus, and on the video call, sir had seen them and pronounced the judgment in their presence.